How can an ex-spouse be prevented from claiming inheritance? Imagine planning your estate carefully, only to find out an ex-spouse might still claim part of your assets. It's a situation many want to avoid, especially after a divorce. So, how can you make sure your inheritance stays out of their reach? First, you need to make sure your divorce is fully finalized with a decree absolute and a clean break financial order. Until that's in place, your ex-spouse could still have legal rights to claim against your estate. Next, including a no-claim clause in your divorce settlement can be very helpful. This clause explicitly states that your ex-spouse cannot make any future claims on your estate. It acts as a legal barrier, especially under laws like the Inheritance Provision for Family and Dependents Act. Updating your will and estate documents is also essential. Remove your ex-spouse as a beneficiary and ensure your new wishes are clear. If you don't update your will, the old one might still give them rights, or your estate could be divided under intestacy laws. Using trusts can add an extra layer of protection. By placing inheritance assets into a trust, you keep them separate from marital property. This way, if you divorce again, those assets are less likely to be divided. Be sure to name a third-party trustee and set clear rules for how the assets are distributed. Avoid mixing inherited assets with joint accounts or property. If you deposit inheritance money into a joint bank account or add your ex-spouse's name to property titles, those assets could become part of the marital estate. Keep inherited assets in separate accounts and document everything carefully. If your children are married or planning to marry, prenuptial or postnuptial agreements can help. These agreements specify that inheritance remains separate property and is not subject to division if a divorce occurs. Lastly, clear communication with your beneficiaries about your estate plans can help prevent misunderstandings. While it's not always possible, explaining your wishes can reduce disputes and claims. In summary, to prevent an ex-spouse from claiming inheritance, finalize your divorce with proper legal orders, update your estate documents, use trusts, avoid mixing assets, consider legal agreements, and keep everyone informed. Regularly reviewing your estate plan ensures your assets go to the people you want, without unwanted claims.